T-shirt chick.
What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another behind the scenes video. Today I'm going to be printing a couple of orders. Well, actually I'm going to be printing one order for some basketball jerseys that I told y'all about in a different video. And today I'm also going to be replacing this pallet tape right here. Like, as y'all see, my pallet tape is in pretty bad shape. Y'all see, it looks pretty bad. Sometimes I hate to have to change it because, you know, it just kind of takes up a little bit of time, but it needs changing pretty bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it. And a tip when you are doing the pallet tape, let me see, if it don't come off easily, you can always heat it up and that'll help it come off a little bit easier. Let me see, try to get it started here. I can't really get it started, so I'm going to heat it up and see if that'll help it out a little bit. And as y'all see right here, you see how much the tape protects? This right here is you know, the bad part. And as you tear it off, you can see it's a whole lot cleaner beneath here, so it keeps your pallets looking fairly new. May not be exactly new because, you know, I've had this for years, but yeah, this one that I heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and see if that helps. Yeah, it helps a little bit. I may need to heat it up again, but basically you know, you're just peeling this off. And sometimes it can be a little tedious, but I mean, y'all know how to peel tape off of something. You just have to keep going with it. If once you get it going, try to keep it going. But sometimes the tape tears. Okay, I'm gonna okay, it's coming out pretty good. I have another pallet that is kind of up under that heat, so I'm gonna roll it over a little bit. Alright, pretty much got it. And that's pretty much, like right here, I'm just trying to start it to being able to roll off now. But yeah, that's pretty much what you have to do right here. Just rubbing the parts off and, you know, start it to peeling. Alright, so this one is done pretty well. It's still a little bit of paper that's stuck on here, but that's no big deal. I'm gonna try to get as much of it off as I can, but it's really no big deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and work and try to get as much of that off as I can, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how to replace the pallet tape. I just want to show y'all this one. This one was heated up pretty good, so it came off a lot easier than the other one right here. If you heat it up good, it'll come off a whole lot easier, as y'all see right here. So I'm gonna put the next one beneath the pallet. But yeah, if you heat it up pretty good, it'll come on off and you won't have to fight with it. I need to do a video of me just cleaning my press, cleaning my press up and stuff like that, and you know, press maintenance. But I might have some news about a screen printing press coming up for y'all pretty soon. Alright, I'm gonna try it again on this next one right here, see if we can get it to peel off just like we did the other one. If you get a good start on it after you heat it up pretty good, you can get it to peel off pretty good. As y'all see, pretty much got the whole thing off. Just a little bit left on here. Let's see, I got this one last part. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit. I'm gonna lay that back down flat so it won't burn, but I'm gonna heat this one up a little bit and take it on off. Alright, so hopefully this one is ready. I just try to leave it under there for about 30 seconds or so, and try to get it started on the end. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get that end started. Let me see if I can yeah, sometimes it works out better than other times. Yeah, see if I can undo it the back way and go ahead and get it off. Got most of it off. Alright, I'm going to cut back and show you me putting the pallet tape on here just to save time on this video. Alright, so I got everything set up right here. I got my T-square, or at least part of it. I got my marker, got my blade, and I have my tape right here. So I have done videos on this before, but basically, you know, you can check those out, but I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys one pallet. Okay, so I would just line everything up, make sure it's centered, start it down at the end, and you flatten it down at the end. And it's a couple of ways you can do this. You can roll it like this to flatten it out. You can have a squeegee to flatten it out. So right there I have it pretty flat on here. Try to get some of those wrinkles out. Alright, and I'm going to take my blade and I'm going to cut it as close as I can. All the way around. I'm going to leave a little tip on the end so that I can try to start it easily when I have to remove it next time. Yeah, but I do it like this and cut it off and leave a little bit on the end right here. Tear the excess off. That way when I get ready to remove it next time, it'll be a little bit easier, and tear the excess off. So that's the first one right there, and that was the first way that you can lay down your pallet tape. I'm gonna do one more and I'm gonna show you how I do it with the squeegee. Alright, so I'm rolling around to the next one. Do the same thing, unroll my tape. Try to center it as best you can. Don't have to be perfectly centered, but once it's centered on there, got my squeegee. It actually worked out better with the squeegee. Go ahead and cut the ends off. Push these ends down because I don't want to cut them off. Cut the rest of the side off. Try to leave the corner, a little bit of the corner on there, so it'll make it easier to peel next time. So right there, and you can rub over. If it's excess, you can cut it off with, you can tear it off, or you can cut it off with your hand. But you know, you just kind of press those edges down, make sure everything is tight, and you can use your squeegee to, you know, press it down on the edges just to make sure that it does not peel up. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of these, and then I'm gonna show you how I do my center line. Alright, I got everything done, and I have my, I can see where my line is at right here actually, and I have a thick marker right here, and I know from here to here is 15 inches, so it's going to be about 7.5 inches where the center line is at. My center line is slightly off, so I'm just going to place it right there. Alright, there's your center line right there. And a lot of people put different marks on theirs, but the main thing to me is the center line. Let me see. 7.5. Be right here. And it makes it easy with this thick marker. As you see, I didn't use a thicker marker last time. I didn't get this just straight. I don't know exactly what I did. So I just thicken it up right here. And try to get it straight all the way. Alright, so that should be good right there. Get a little bit thicker down here at the bottom. Alright, that should have it right there. And I have a few screens drying up in here. Let you guys take a look at them. They should be about ready right here. Working on this design right here. Yeah, got a hole in my screen right here, but it's all good. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to print those shirts. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both channels, the red and the green channel, and hit the notification bells on both. And follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV. And also join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.